Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you basically how to increase or decrease a certain section of volume within a video clip in CapCut when you're editing your video. So what you can do is, I've just got a random video that I'm going to be uploading to the channel in the timeline. From there, let's say I wanted from around here to around there to be completely muted. I didn't want any volume at all. What you could do is select the video, make sure you've got the video selected, and go over to the audio tab. And you want to start using keyframes, this button right here. Add the first keyframe, and it's going to bring down a diamond in the sort of audio wave section. And then we're actually going to tap a little bit further in and select another keyframe. So you've got two keyframes right there. And then we want to add some more keyframes. Add one there, scroll along, and add another keyframe. Why have we done this? Because anything on the left hand side, the audio of this keyframe here, the audio is going to be unaffected, and then any audio on the right hand side of this keyframe is going to be unaffected as well. So just have a look here. You can basically scroll up or down, decrease the decibels or increase the decibels, essentially increasing or decreasing the volume. So I'm going to go right down to the bottom and decrease it and basically mute it, and I'll show you what it sounds like. Go to the first link, pixelcut.ai, and as you can see, it's completely shut off the volume and muted everything right there. And I'll show you over here. I'm going to use this one right here. It's some flowers with more flowers in it, and you can see the volume has began playing again. However, if it's very hard to see, it's quite small there. What you can actually do is click on the video file. I'm using Mac. Press Control and click in here, but on Windows it would just be right click and then extract audio, and it gives you a lot more freedom to actually start playing around with this. You can make it a lot more exact here, if you can see. So thanks very much for watching, guys. If this video has been helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel.